What is up, people? Today we'll be playing Survival Craft 2, and I accidentally quit the game. So yes, I'm back with Survival Craft 2. I haven't really recording Geometry Dash, nothing like that, but I did when I went a lot of hunting today. I mean, I seriously went, I really hunt. Oh, if you guys wonder how I got the diamond leggings, well, I killed some werewolves. Almost broke my armor. Look at this. Where's my chest piece at? Look at this. You see my copper, you see this copper chest piece? He almost broke it. And look at the iron one. I made an iron one. And he almost broke it. So, I had to make new ones. And what the fudge is at my door? What the fudge? Is it a werewolf? Better not be. Oh, it's just a regular wolf. Oh. Well, I guess I didn't have to kill him, but he died of fall damage. Well, I guess he committed suicide. Well, that's sad. I was thinking about doing something like, what was I thinking about? Guys, I know why I couldn't sleep. It's cause look, oops. Look, if I try sleeping on this stone, look, too uncomfortable to sleep. But if I sleep on the wood, it's so comfortable. Oh, whoops. I killed like 5 werewolves. It was crazy, dude. Whew. Sadly, I didn't get to record it. But I'm like, whoa, dude, there's freaking wolves. But sadly, I kind of waste my armor. I kind of waste diamonds on the armor. Why did I do that? Why did I waste my diamonds on the armor? Like, come on, dude. I should have made the diamond machete, diamond pick. Well, I couldn't make these diamonds because, you know, they're copper. Can't. Let's just go ahead. Well, I think we'll save it. This is currently my armor right now. I haven't been really like focusing on my helmet and legs, but I will be focusing on the legs. So let's just go ahead. Let's go ahead and go over here. Oh, what were you doing? Oh yeah, I wanted to make some arrows. So where is my iron at? Yep, here it is. I wanted to make a bow. Alright, we need our strings. Where's our strings? Why do I have this? Why do I have these? Like, dude, come on. Oh, I have them right here. And then I just need a straight line, and then there's our bow and arrow. Now all we need to do is make some arrows. Oh. Wait, why can I not? Wait, do I need more? Do I need more? Ingots? No, ingots. No, it's the sticks. Okay, it's the sticks. Where are my sticks at? Yep, right here. I think 36 is good enough. Let's go ahead. Oh, alright. Alright, so now we got some arrows. Let's go ahead and put this away. Yep. Alright, guys, we got some arrows. We're ready to hunt. Alright, ready to fight. Let's go hunt some ducks, guys. Oh, there's a duck right there. Oh, gosh. Got him! I'm an archer, guys. Guys, I'm an archer. How do y'all feel? I'm an archer. Yeah, give me your stuff. Okay. Alright, we're ready. We're on a hunting ducks. We're hunting ducks. That's tough. Okay, come on, land. Okay, I'm gonna stay sneak mode. Ah, I tried killing that seagull. Dang, alright. Oh, there's a duck right here. No, don't fly. No, he's flying. Dang it. Dang it. I want that. I'm not an archer, guys. I suck at archering. No, come back. Dang it. Oh, yes. Okay, there's one right here. No, I missed. Guys, I keep missing. Oh, why did I equip the arrow? Like, what am I going to do with an arrow? Okay. Come on. Oh, whoops. Oh, there's one right here. Oh, I need to equip the freaking arrow. Oh, dang it. I can't aim, dude. Like, it's so hard to aim. Ah. Alright, let's get our arrows. I want to try to kill this seagull. Ah. Dang it, bro. Got him. Oh, you're lucky. I hunt your little friend down. Got him. Alright. Alright, we killed him. Alright, let's go back and cook this food. Oh, I just got XP. Oh, why can't I pick this up? Oh. Why do I hear wolves? Oh, you scared me, buddy. Oh, fudge, I smacked him. I'm trying to mess with him. You're fast. You're a fast one, aren't you? Yeah, you ain't going nowhere. You just got bowed. Give me your hide. I don't want your spoiled meat. I just want your... There you go. It's disgusting. No one wants to eat the spoiled meat. Why am I sneaking? Ooh. Got him, coach. Let's go get our food. Let me see if I don't want this. Yuck. It's wet. Ah, it's wet. It's wet. Dang, bro, that sucks. I keep missing, y'all. I just scared him off. I think he's right there. Ah, my archery skills suck. Oh, I was about to say, why is it so dark in here? Alright, let's go ahead and cook our chicken. Yeah. Let's cook our delicious chicken. There we go. Let's cook it up. Cook that chicken up. You're no longer wet. Well, yeah, thank goodness, because it's freaking warm. You have eaten well. Well, that's good. Alright, so let's go ahead and get a new machete. Put this up. Just in case this one breaks, and I'll equip that new one. So if that breaks, well, I'll just get a new one. So let's go ahead and go outside. Yeah. Okay, it's only been 11 minutes, so that's good enough. Let's go in this cave. That's just good. What is this? A laid duck egg. Oh, I'm about to cook it. Can I cook the egg? I think I can, right? I think I could cook it, right? No, I can't cook the laid duck egg. Can I throw it? Ooh, I'm gonna throw it at someone. I'm gonna throw it at somebody. I'm gonna throw it. Alright, let's go throw it at somebody. Who's gonna be so mad? First, before we throw something, let's go in this cave. I got my sword out just in case. Oh, I'm kind of scared. Okay. I've been down here before. Oh, fudge. Ow. Hi, little cave bears. Oh, he's like, what did you throw at me? Oh, you're a mad one. You're a mad one. Oh, you're a mad bear. You're a mad bear. You like that? You like being smacked? You're about to kill yourself. Oh, you're a mad bear. You're bad. That's one bear. Don't know what the other bear is. Alright. Just stay there. Boom. You are dead bear. Look at all that XP that just fell. Oh, ow. I don't want a chance getting that. Alright. I don't want that XP right there. Let's go ahead and do a little parkour. Oh, there's iron right here. I'm gonna go dig up this iron. Oh, whoa. What? Wait. I don't have room? Wait. Oh. Why do I have to spoil meat, dude? Get out of here. No. Get out of here. Let's go ahead and get our iron. Let's get rid of this freaking plank. Alright, let's go ahead and get our iron. You wanna come with Bear? You wanna freaking mess with me? I'll freaking murder you. And trust me, I killed your friend, so I don't think you wanna try to kill me. Go ahead and get out of here. Oh, hello, bear. Oh, you wanna come after me, eh? You wanna come after me, eh? You wanna come after me? Yeah. Wanna come after me? What's up? Oh, he's in the way. Get out of my face. Oh, my inventory's full, so I'll just walk with that. Oh. It's alright. Alright, see, there's enemies over here, too. So there's cave bears. Oh, this was their home. It's kind of sad. I can't even jump. Alright, let's just mind it then. Maybe I could build a home here. Maybe I could like add some like electronics here. This is probably a good area to build like a base. But we already have one, so let's go back up. Yeah, faith. Of course I'm out of stamina. Of course I'm out of stamina. Alright. Oh, it's Hyneodons. Oh, it's Hyneodons. Hyneodon. Oh, of course. Don't mind at night. Oh, it's almost a full moon. I think like a few more days, a full moon will come out of nowhere and then say yeet, and the werewolves are gonna come out. Alright, cool. Just in case someone wants to come out of nowhere. I know. Oh, you like that? Oh, I need. Oh, get the sword. Yeah, you wanna run now? Trust me, I'll give you this arrow. Yeah, run like me. Oh, I'm smacking with a shovel. Eat the shovel. Yeah, you better run. Oh, you're going the wrong direction. Oh, you're going straight. Oh, you're dead. You're dead. Yeah, should have not went that way, buddy. Look at your floating body. Wait, that's a wolf. Yeah. A very tired sleep. Feel a bit chilly. Alright, that's cool. We can just go inside our little house. Load in the arrow first. It's warm in here. Alright, let's go to sleep. Take a nice nap. Sadly, we get no blankets. But it's warm in the house, so we don't need any blankets. Alright, so as we're just waiting. Alright. I think it should be daytime. Yep, it is daytime. Oh, the hollow wolves. Come on, you wanna come after me? Boom! 3 wolves dead. Get in that water. Don't deserve to be on land. I took care of 3 wolves. I'm the master slayer. Don't mess with me. Alright, let's put this one away. Actually, no, we're gonna keep it for now. Someone's probably saying, get a new machete! Alright. How's my armor doing? Oof. That's kind of bad, but alright, we're still cool with it. Let's go ahead and get some planks. Oh dang, plank units. Planks. Oh, our inventory's full. Oh, what do we need? We don't need that. So we don't need that. A plank. My wood. Oh, I don't want this. Hey, get out of here. Trying to get some wood. So good thing we haven't died yet. That's the good part. Yuck. No! Get out of here. Alright. Let's go over here. Bam. Alright, doing good. Alright, doing good, guys. Doing good. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. Dislike if my video was dookie, and like if my video was fun. Thank you guys for watching. I'm out of here. Goodbye.